Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Carpathian Grey. This car has previously had one owner and is next due for a service in January 2022. As in its approved used vehicle, you have minimum 12 months warranty along with 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So if we take a look round, you've got pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a real modern exterior. 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys. Executive rear class seating, meaning you can adjust the height depending on your preference, ensuring everyone has a comfortable journey. Along with an electric armrest which folds all the way down and can also then extend out further. Perfect for holding drinks and also being more comfortable. And you have a bit of storage there. Continuing round the car, you have an electric tailgate, perfect if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, you do have plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs and pushchairs. You also have a full-size spare wheel in case of any accidents, and a parcel shelf to keep your personal items more secure. An electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. You can close the boot using that button on your key or the one there. And going inside the vehicle, you have illuminated Autobiography tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, but it's also really nice to open on a sunny day or for some fresh air. And you have satin straight walnut veneer which just gives the car a real sleek interior. Controls on your wheel, so you've got Bluetooth allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. And you can change your display, view your settings, vehicle information, media, or your driver assistance. You also have cruise control, a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all really helpful for long journeys or driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. Memory seats throughout the car, but handy if there's several people driving the vehicle. A Meridian sound system for better quality sound. And you have a 10-inch touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate, enabling you to set the temperature of the car before even getting in it, which is really nice, especially in winter. Ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which really does look effective, especially in the dark. And you can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. 360-degree surround camera, which makes parking and reversing so much easier. Heated and cooled front seats, perfect for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage with many different options to choose from, ensuring every journey is luxury and relaxing. Cooler compartment, handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, this car has done 15,926 miles. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.